Welcome to StockHastix Daily Market Overview covering January 13th. U.S. stocks remain uncertain of direction again on Wednesday, balancing between reassuring signs and growing doubts. Concerted good news announcements by European Central Bank Council member François Villeroy de Gaulle and remarks by two Federal Reserve officials that pushed back on the possibility of tapering bond purchases anytime soon put investors' minds somewhat at rest. The yield on 10-year U.S. government bonds edged lower after 7 consecutive days of gains. Shares of hotels, airlines, and other companies sensitive to COVID-19 related curbs fell, with S&P 1500 Airlines Index declining 3.4%. The tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 outperformed the benchmark S&P 500, with Intel and Apple leading the gains. Intel jumped as much as 13% after the chipmaker named a new chief executive. The Consumer Price Index rose 0.4% in December, following November's 0.2 monthly rise. This matched consensus economist expectations, but more important directions for the market will be indicated in days ahead. JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo are among firms to report earnings. Joe Biden will take time from pressing political concerns to lay out proposals for fiscal support. Jobless claims and a webinar by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is also scheduled for Thursday. U.S. retail sales, industrial production, business inventories, and consumer sentiment numbers come Friday. The upbeat sentiment centered on an expected economic recovery in the second half of 2021, which in turn assumes a successful rollout of the COVID-19 vaccines. After declining modestly all day, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.34%. The NASDAQ Composite Index led the way with 64.53%, while the S&P 500 Index rose 7.51%. We'll know more in the next 2 days. Subscribe to us for all updates.